Hello everyone. This is Courtney with Doodledollarz, and today we are doing our festive Friday savings challenges. I don't have any extra challenges to show y'all because honestly I just did not have time to print them out. I do have some that I've saved to my computer, but I will plan on doing that next week. So all the challenges that I share on Fridays will be related to like the holidays. But I did share in my last Festive Friday video, or Friday freebie, or whatever you want to call it. I shared all of these with y'all, and I linked these in my description, so y'all can go check these out if you didn't see that last video. It's Friday. No, it's it's not Friday yet. It's Wednesday when I'm recording this, and Arya is sleeping in my bed, so I am trying to be a little bit more quiet, and I feel like also I just have had like this energy slump today. I feel like I just kind of hit a wall, and I was like, nope, cannot do anything else. So I usually find myself pretty busy in the evenings, and tonight I just was like, I can't do anything. So maybe that's normal for like a Wednesday, halfway through the week. I also started up my semester last week, so I have those things kind of looming over my head, and just my house is a mess, and so that's looming over my head, and I feel like I can't think or like act on any of those things yet. Maybe I need to take my depression medicine again. That might help. Okay, so, but I think I'm just gonna record this video, and then I'm drinking some peach tea. What is this? Perfect peach, and with a little bit of honey in it, and I'm hoping that this helps, and then I'm probably just gonna go to bed after this. All right, so I hope y'all are having a great Friday. What was the best thing that happened to y'all this week? What were your highs? What were your lows? I would love to hear how your week was. I guess I haven't really thought about that yet because it's Wednesday when I'm filming this. I have to kind of pre-record because I have Arya this weekend, which is great. I missed her so much. I was literally crying in my bed on Sunday night because I missed her so much. But I, won't have as much time to record when she's around, and that's totally fine. Okay, so we have $1 adding to this challenge. This is Love You Very Much. This is in my Ko-fi. And we should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, nice. And so this is going towards Valentine's Day, obviously. I'm trying to kind of front load Valentine's Day and do several challenges for that because I have not gotten any gifts or anything for Arya or for my boyfriend. And so I really need to get cracking on that. That is coming up very soon. All right, this St. Patrick's Day one is by Windmill Ridge Budgets, and this one got 2. Let me find my marker here. Okay, so we're going to color in 2 more of these coins. For St. Patrick's Day, I don't know what we will do, but I like to do a little something get Aria a little something. Last year I made a scavenger hunt for her to go on, and she loved that. And at the end, it was all from like the leprechaun. I forget, I think his name was Seamus O'Malley or something. I just made it up. But she absolutely loved that. So I'm guessing that she's probably going to have high expectations for this year. So I don't want to disappoint. But I usually do something like that and like make shepherd's pie or something, you know, with potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. What do you guys usually do for St. Patrick's Day? What are your traditions? What are your traditions, if you have any, for Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day? Easter is also coming up. All right, so next we have, oh yay, Christmas. Love Christmas. So this one is by Blessed Budgets by Abigail. And we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we should have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wonderful. Last year I started saving for Christmas. Well, really when I started cash budgeting in November. And so I hadn't really saved anything or much at all for Christmas, and I ended up having to use my credit card a little bit. So this year I'm really hoping that I can save enough for what I need for Christmas before it gets here. Okay, so this one is by Save It Mel, and I'm just doing 1 per envelope, and this is a set of 3 in her shop. So we have 5 total so far. This is for Valentine's Day as well, obviously. Okay. Next we have, ooh, Easter. This one is so cute. It's by Canadian Finance Journey. And we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we should have 9 in here as well. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. For Easter, my mom would always give us like a basket, an Easter basket. Nothing crazy in it, like nail polish or some candy, some chocolate, you know, maybe a new toothbrush, but nothing too crazy. So I would like to do that for Aria as well. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're filling in the second half of this box and all of this box. Each of these boxes is 2, so we should have 6 here. And we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this other Valentine's Day one, this one is by Angela Marie 888. And this came as a set of 3, 1 for January, 1 for February, and 1 for March. But yeah, so just a little Easter basket for Aria. I don't have any family in town, so I don't think we'll go to anybody's house or anything for dinner, but I might make a little something here for us if she's with me on that day. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give me a like, comment, subscribe if you have not yet. And if you're new here, please say hi. I would love to get to know you and be able to say hi. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.